G'day folks. Well, I picked this carrier refrigeration unit up from the scrapyard recently, and we're going to do a first start. I've checked the oil system and everything. Oil's up. Oil hoses that were broken in the scrapyard have been repaired, at least as far as I know. And the electronic controls also seem to be working. But it's telling me actual temperature, but the everything else is there. Engine hours, the lot. And that's prime and glow plug. Everything's there. So there's only one thing to do. I'll hand you over to Chris. He's going to be the cameraman, and I'm going to kick it in the guts and see what happens. The jumper pack is not very strong, so you might have to swap to another battery later. But yeah. Hopefully if something goes wrong, it decides to shut off. If not, I'm stuffing rags down its throat. But no, it doesn't appear to be slugged. I've done all the safety checks for an engine that's been lying horizontal. This was horizontal for some time. It should be fine. Cut out. Ah. It's pulling so much current from the jumper pack, the voltage dropped so low, the computer rebooted. Low. 5. Nah, it's pulling too much current from it. It's resetting the computer. Trouble is, even if I jump the starter, it's going to pop the solenoid out and shut the fuel off again.
Parallel a couple of batteries.
Yeah, I'll rob a battery or two out of the cars. For such a small starter motor, this engine takes a bit of grunt to get going, because you've got the load of the compressor still connected, which may or may not be in bad health, and you've also got these belts going up to the main fans and everything, so its cranking load is pretty significant. With the belts disconnected, it's not hard to turn by hand, but with everything hooked up, it's hard. So yeah, the starter motor is probably too small for its application without really serious amperage behind it. Alright, let's try again after the bottle fell off and drained the fuel system. Yeah, power it up. Glow. Might have eaten a bit of air or something else. Oh, it's probably because I haven't got the oil pressure sensor hooked up. Part of what went wrong when it got moved was this got smashed off, and the oil pressure sensor is also destroyed, so I'm going to bridge that out and see if it remains running. It might be going out on a timeout.